Having a really good form while playing the piano is extremely important because I've seen other students that play amazing songs, like they're complex, they're really like fast notes, many notes, but their form was off, so their sound was off. It didn't sound that great. There's other people that play piano that play very few notes, really simple chords and everything, and it sounds awesome because their form was good. It wasn't intact. So if you believe if you have to play a lot of notes really fast or complex rhythms or styles or chords or something like that, that's not what makes piano sound good. What makes it sound good is your form, how you play it. If you play it calmly, you play it emotionally, you will play piano. People will come up to you and be like, wow, you play extremely well. But if you play a whole bunch of notes really fast and your form is off and it's like a little rigid, like a little bit tense, like it won't sound that great. So it's really important to keep your form playing. It's more important to have your form good than to play good, like many notes and such like that. So the way how you keep your form is you take a pen and you put it on the black keys. Now, you take the pen with all your tips of your fingers. Like this. You take the pen out and that is your form. This is the form you have when you play the piano. It has to be curved and you play on your tips. Really, really important. You play on tips. You don't play right here. You don't play on your sides. You don't play anywhere here but your tips. Very important. If you don't have a pen or you don't like using the pen all the time, pretend you have an apple right here or a ball or something. Make sure your hand is curved and not stiff. Make sure it's relaxed. You're not bending iron. You're not working in construction. You're playing piano. It's a delicate instrument. You don't have to be really tense for it. You relax your hand. Make sure it's curved. And you play on the tips. If you play on your tips and you have your right form, you will play piano better. Even if you play piano now, apply this. I know it could be frustrating if you already learned piano at a different way. If you play like this, bad. Really bad. This is where you get carpal tunnel, and then you get surgery for that. So make sure your hand is relaxed. Make sure it's curved. You play piano like this, and it's very important that you do so. And if you will see incredible results in your piano playing.